Patrick, I have a secret to tell you. The secret Krabby Patty recipe? I can't hold it in anymore. At first, I didn't even question it, but then I started thinking, and now it all makes sense.
What makes sense?
It's much darker than I ever thought, Patrick. The secret ingredient is crab meat.
Crab meat? Wait, does that mean Mr. Krabs is...
Yeah! That's why the Krusty Krab looks like a crab trap. He's sacrificing his own species for money, Patrick. Now that's dark.
Whoa, can we still get lunch?